So, sir, this is the English speaking mock test at English Fantasy, and today I'm your examiner. My name is Imran Islam Alif. Sir, what is your name?
Sir, my name is Abid Hossain Siam. You may address me Siam.
Okay. So, Siam, sir, where are you from?
I am from Patna, which is a district Rajshahi division, and it is situated northwestern part of Bangladesh.
Okay. So, what is your daily routine like?
My daily routine is like I wake up early in the morning and I fresh myself and I just perform my salah. After I come room and then I revise my homework. After that I come my classroom and I just book my seat and I just go to my breakfast. After I come back my classroom and after some time our main session start and we just finish that class and at 1 p.m. We get our break to 1 to 3 p.m. After that we start 3 p.m. is our listening class. That time we watch television. There we watch some series or some podcast video. If we hear something, we can speak properly. And after that we get some break for performing salah. After that we go to outdoor session for another place. And there we can make a pair and we can communicate with each other. And after that we came before evening and that time we just get some time to perform salah. After that we get an evening session. That time we learn our main session topic and at 8 p.m. We get break.
Okay, that's a quite busy day of you. Okay. So what is the busiest part of your day?
My busiest part of my day is when whole day's homework they give us from 8 p.m. to 11 or 12 p.m. we just do that homework in that time.
Okay, got it. So, do you prefer plan your next day before sleeping?
Yeah, I prefer, but someday I just miss that. But I will try always to do that.
Okay, that's a quite good idea for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sir, this is the end of your speaking test part 1. Now we are moving to speaking test part 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so your part 2 topic is you have to describe a thing which is you using your daily life.
Okay.
Like mobile phone or one kind of technology, whatever you want.
Okay.
You can speak about that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So right now I use mobile phone for learning trading and I like it for my hobby. And there are lots of strategy. I like CRT model. This is the good way for earning money. If I focus it properly, I can generate lots of money, and this is for my future. And if I can realize that properly, and I can earn more and more money, and this is good. And recently, many people like these hobbies, and many people do it their profession. And most of this is very hard, but if you try a lot, then you can success your life.
Yeah, you got the right point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have done well in your part 1 and part 2.
Yes, sir.
So this is the end of your speaking test, and you have done well in every part. Your speaking is very well, and your grammar is also correct. Sometimes you have done a little bit of minor mistakes, that is preferable. So if you just focus on that thing, then it will be fixed within very shortly.
Yes, sir.
So if you should focus on that things, and I hope you will get more than 6.5 or 7.
Yes.
Okay, sir. See you soon.
See you soon.